Hey, this is Cameron. Welcome to the wildlife of Rose.
Shut up, dork!
What? Nobody told me life was gonna be this way. Hi. Wildlife.
What class were you in? Was he in your class?
It's a bird.
Okay. Alright, let's see what we got going on over here. This is where the chickens stay. And let's see if there's any out here. Oh, there's one. Let's go to it. Where there any? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna attempt, hey, it's okay. I'm gonna attempt to make contact. Come back here! Oh. Stop! Ah! Okay, that didn't really work out the way I wanted it to. There's another one. This one's really bold. I think her name is Polka Dot. Polka Dot, say hi. Say hi. All right, let's go like this. This is much better. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right. Level with them. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, got him. Damn it, neck yourself. Fucking bastard. Huh. We'll attempt to get you again. Ooh, look, I got it. Sit, sit, sit. Hold on one second. All right. So this is us. Say cheese. Hold on, did I get it right? Say cheese. You got shit on your face. Let's go look in a reflection. You got shit all over your face. I don't even know what that is, but do I want to know, really? So this is us. There's the chicken, and there's me. All right, let's see her fly. Are you ready for this, guys? You didn't fly very well, did you? Your thoughts? All right, guys. So, oh my God. All right, let's take it nice and slow. It's okay. Ooh. All right, I'm not sure what else to say, except that I am infested with chickens, and oh, here's something interesting. Somebody's laying an egg. I wasn't even aware you could still lay eggs. I thought you were pretty old. So let's make sure we have all 9 chickens. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.